Hey there! So let's dive into the problem we're tackling today. Picture this scenario. You're working with VB.NET, and you've got a list of objects. Your mission is to clear out duplicate datasets from this list, making it unique based on all columns. Okay, now onto the solution part. The initial attempt to use GroupBy followed by Select didn't quite get the desired outcome. But fear not! The magic lies in leveraging tuples. By grouping the data based on a tuple of the columns, and then selecting the first item in each group, we successfully trim down the duplicates. This approach provides a concise solution to our unique data quest. Now, let's level up our solution. It's highly recommended to utilize a comparer. By creating a custom comparer class for the personinfo objects, we can override the equals and get hashcode methods to define equality based on the desired columns. This powerful method ensures that our list is effectively deduplicated, leaving us with only distinct data sets. Talk about efficiency. To sum it up, we've cracked the code on handling duplicate data sets in VB.NET. By employing tuples and a custom comparer class, we've tidied up our object list and achieved our goal of uniqueness. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!